Hello, welcome back everyone. Today let us learn numbers in Dinka language. Let's count numbers from 0 to 100 in Dinka and English language. 0. 0 in Dinka is called Pinyijipat. Pinyijipat. 1. Tok. Row. Diak. 1. Dich. Detem. Daro. Bet. Bangwan. Tiar. Tiar is 10. Tiar kutok. Tiar kutok is 11. Tiar kuro. Tiar kudiak. Tiar kungwan. Tiar kudij. Tiar kuditum. Tiar kudoro. Tiar kubet. Tiar kudongwan. Tiaro. Tiaro is 20. Tiaro kutok. Tiaro kuro. Tiaro kudiak. Tiaro kungwan. Tiaro kudij. Tiaro kuditum. Tiaro kudoro. Tiaro kubet. Tiaro kudongwan. Tiadiak. Tiadiak. Tiadiak mean 30. Tiadiak kutok. Tiadiak kuro. Tiadiak kudiak. Tiadiak kungwan. Tiadiak kudij. Tiadiak kuditum. Tiadiak kudoro. Tiadiak kubet. Tiadiak kudongwan. Tiarngwan. Tiarngwan mean 40. Tiarngwan kutok. Tiarngwan kutok is 41. Tiarngwan kuro. Tiarngwan kudiak. Tiarngwan kungwan. Tiarngwan kudij. Tiarngwan kuditum. Tiarngwan kudoro. Tiarngwan kubet. Tiarngwan kudongwan. Tiardij. Tiardij mean 50. Tiardij kutuk. Tiardij kutuk is 51. Tiardij kuro. Tiardij kudiak. Tiardij kungwan. Tiardij kudij. Tiardij kudij. Tiardij kudij mean 55. Tiardij kuditum. Tiardij kudoro. Tiardij kubet. Tiardij kudongwan. Tiarditum. Tiarditum mean 60. 61 mean tiarditum kutok. Tiarditum kuro. Tiarditum kudiak. Tiarditum kungwan. Tiarditum kudij. Tiarditum kuditum. Tiarditum kuditum mean 66. Tiarditum kudoro. Tiarditum kubet. Tiarditum kudongwan. Tiardoro. Tiardoro. Tiardoro mean 70. 71 mean tiardoro kutok. Tiardoro kuro. Tiardoro kudiak. Tiardoro kungwan. Tiardoro kudij. Tiardoro kuditum. Tiardoro kudoro. Tiardoro kudoro mean 77. Tiardoro kudoro mean 77. Tiardoro kubet. Tiardoro kudongwan. Tiarbet. Tiarbet. Tiarbet mean 80. 80. 81 mean tiarbet kutok. Tiarbet kuro. Tiarbet kudiak. Tiarbet kungwan. Tiarbet kudij. Tiarbet kuditum. Tiarbet kudoro. Tiarbet kubet. Tiarbet kudongwan. Tiardongwan. Tiardongwan. Tiardongwan mean 90. 91 mean tiardongwan kutok. Tiardongwan kuro. Tiardongwan kudiak. Tiardongwan kungwan. Tiardongwan kudij. Tiardongwan kuditum. Tiardongwan kudoro. Tiardongwan kubet. Tiardongwan kudongwan. Tiardongwan kudongwan. Bot. Bot 100, or you can say Biantok. Biantok 100. Bot You can write board like this, board Biantok. Okay. If we say 101 is board ku tok. Board ku tok, board ku ro, board ku diak, board ku ngwan, board ku dich, etc. So this is how you should count them in Dinka language. So I am William Majak Malik Ding. Dupiet itong yang. Please, if you are new in this channel, I beg you to support my channel by subscribing, like the video, share the video to your loved ones so that they can also learn Dinka language with us. Please go to YouTube. The name of our YouTube channel is called Dinka English TV5. I am the one responsible for that channel. Please go there and subscribe and say hi to me there so I will respond to you. And thank you for your support. That is the only way you can support me. Okay? And also like the video. If you like the video, YouTube is going to recommend this video to the others people around the world so that they can also know there is a language called Dinka. So that is the only way you can help me, and that is the only way you can also participate in teaching Dinka. Just like the video so that the YouTube can say, oh, this language, there are a lot of people watching this language, there are a lot of people learning this language, and it is going to recommend it to other people also. Also share it. Okay? Go to our TikTok. The name of our TikTok is called Learn Dinka with Majak. Follow me there. Yes. Share our videos. Go to Facebook page. The name of the Facebook page is called Dinka Awil Dialogue. Dinka Awil Dialogue is our page. Please go there and follow. Like the video also. And this is the only way we can learn Dinka language together. Today I have given you all numbers in Dinka from 0 to 100. Next time I'm going to bring from 101 to 200 step by step until we reach 1000. Okay? Okay, bye bye. Don't nearly correct. Kuyania. Bye bye. I'm William. Majak Malik. Ding. Debut itong yang. Okay, bye bye.